The Biden administration is just continuing the Cold War mentality, which should be stopped. Veronica S. Saraswati, senior researcher with Center for Strategic and International Studies, made the remarks while commenting on U.S. President Joe Biden's visit to South Korea and Japan.
China, Japan, and South Korea is also the good partner. I mean the right partner for ASEAN countries. China is the most important partner for economic relations for ASEAN instead of conflicts. Because who will get benefit for that conflict? That's not China, that's not ASEAN, but the Western or USA. I think Biden administration is just continuing the Cold War mentality. This Cold mentality should be stopped. Who give United States rights to intervene other countries? United States always behave that they are the police for other countries, because in fact we are living in the same world, so no hegemony anymore. Hegemony is just the Cold War mentality. No domination, no hegemony. USA can live just by a Cold War mentality. They will sell the weapons, they will create conflicts. If there is no conflict, then they will design the conflict just for purposes of selling weapons. Democracy in the hands of United States is just the weapons to intervene other countries. This is just the excuse to attack the other countries. In fact, basically United States themselves who violate the democracy. They never run the democracy. They create war in Middle East, in many countries. Is that the result of democracy? That's so paradox.